Next question. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line find the equation of the line that belongs to both the family of given lines, both the family find the equation of the line that belongs to both the family as first family is y minus 4x plus 2 plus lambda 1 into x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. And another family is this one, x plus y plus 4 plus lambda 2 into 2x plus y plus 1. This family is L1. First one is L1, that is y minus 4x plus 2 is equals to 0, and this one is L2. This L2 is x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. So this is the family. Lambda is a parameter, therefore it represents the infinitely many lines. Yes or no? It represents infinitely many lines. See, so this family contains infinitely many lines like this, because here lambda is there, lambda 1 is the parameter. So this is the family. So in this family, the point of concurrency is what? In this family, the point of concurrency is the point of intersection of this line and this line. You find the point of concurrence, that is point of intersection of these two lines. You find this one. This is this family. Now you find the point of concurrence, that is point of intersection of these two things. Next one is the point of intersection of these two things you calculate, that is this family. You come to this family. So this family is what? This is L1 here, that is x plus y plus 4 is equals to 0, one line. Another line of this family is what? This 2x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. So here also lambda 2 is their parameter, therefore infinitely many lines. Lambda is a real number, infinitely many real numbers, therefore infinitely many lines. Therefore the point of concurrency is the point of intersection of these two lines. So here you find this P. P is what? The point of concurrency of these lines, that is point of intersection of these two lines. You find the coordinates of P. Here find the coordinates of Q here. This is the point of concurrency. Now the equation of the line that belongs to both the family will be what? The line joining P and Q. This line is the only, this is the line. This line joining this P and Q will be the required line. Clear? How to find the point of intersection of these two lines? Here you write minus 4x plus y plus 2 equals 0. While you are applying the cross multiplication, don't commit this mistake. You rearrange the terms and then use. That is x, y, 1. Therefore you start from coefficient of y. 1, 1, 1, 1 here. Here minus 4, 2, 1, minus 4, like this. Coordinates of P. The coordinates of P 1 by 5 minus 1 by 6. X, y, 1. Here start with y coordinate. Now y coefficient 1, 1, 2, 1. 2, 1. Here 1 4 1 1, like this you calculate 3 comma minus 7. Now the question, now the required line is what? The line joining P and Q, points, 2 point form. Therefore required line is PQ. That is, P coordinates are what? 1 by 5 minus 6 by 5. Yeah, 1 by 5 minus 6 by 5, and Q coordinates 3 comma minus 7. Therefore 2 point form. Therefore slope is what? Slope of the line is what? 1 by 5 y2 minus y1, sorry. Slope of the line is minus 6 by 7 plus 7, this y2 minus y1 or y1 minus y2 by 1 by 5 minus 3. Tell me slope. 6 plus 49 by 7, 1 minus 15 by 5 is what? Minus 215 by 98. This is the slope. This is the slope. Now you take any point, either this one or this one, and slope. Therefore required line is what? PQ line is what? Point slope form. You take this point and this slope. The required line is what? Y plus 7, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. 215 by 98 into x minus 3. So this is the required line. Only one line belongs to that family. That line is PQ. That equation is this one.